Hello everyone, welcome to KNS. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download videos from YouTube for offline use. First of all, you make sure that you are having a strong internet connection. Then open the browser you wish to use, either being Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. For this video, I'll be using Chrome. You search for the video you wish to download. For this tutorial, I'll be downloading a video which I've opened already in this tab here. So in case you are watching this video and you wish to download, or there are any other video for that matter that you wish to download, you just click on the video to open it. When you click on it, you see the download button here. After seeing the download button, you click on it. On your first time, it will give you an option to decide whether you want to download 480 pixel quality or any other version. But if you are not using premium, you have to download the 480, which is the best quality you ever get. So after downloading, you can go offline and go to your downloads. When you go to download, you see I've downloaded videos already here. Clicking on it is going to play offline locally on your disk because it has cached particular video for me to use offline. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.